come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. All right. I don't know why I haven't done a video on Cairo. I just don't know. I don't know the reasoning. Cause it's one of the sleeper daily ROI platforms out there. People sleeping on it. Right now I'm telling you guys to wake up. You go to the site, you log in. You made 1% daily, up to 365%. For the people that don't know, pretty much I could collect 1% every day for a whole year. You know what I mean? Every day it pays at 1%. Depending on the price of the coin, it might go up, might go down. But you still getting paid. I can't stress that enough. You're still going to be getting paid. Now, this got advanced tokenomics and all that. I'm going to run through all that right after you guys subscribe to this video if you're not subscribed. You know what I mean? Because we on that push. We almost there to 1,000 subscribers. Like this video. And after you're done liking the video, marry the video. You know the vibes. You know how we do it. Now, Cairo Finance. This one's nice because it's Egyptian themed. If you know me, I'm big on Egyptian mythology. I got Queen Nefertiti tattooed on me and King Tutankhamun, aka King Tut, tattooed on me. All right, people. So the way this works is pretty much like it says here, Cairo Network Maximizer. I'm under the Maximizer, which is like their faucet, like how Drip has the faucet for staking. Now, once you deposit in here, you can't take your money back out, but you do get the rewards, which is at 1% daily. Similar to Bandit that hasn't been released yet, similar to Drip, similar to Piston, similar to those. Now, this does have tokenomics that prevents whales and other forms of trickery to drain a contract exponentially. Now, one thing I want to point out before I go deeper into this maximizer is the price of Cairo has been consistent. If you go to get Cairo, well, actually, you could buy a Cairo right here on PancakeSwap. I'd rather use PooCoin. So at the end of the link right here, it has the contract address. Oh, you guys can't see that part of the screen, but I just searched up Cairo Finance on PooCoin. It's a little easier for me to navigate through PooCoin. So just before the video, I did purchase 40 Cairo tokens. Right now, Cairo is at $1.20. If you guys know anything about Cairo, it's been mad consistent since its release about a month ago. Never fallen under $1, and just doing really well. Okay, this is a very early time to get in. It's at $1. So you know when it hits $2, your money will double pretty much, and you'll be getting 1% of that. So it says Cairo Network maximizes a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, compounding rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. Now, the compounding, as you guys know, compounding interest is one of the great wonders of the world. I think it's the 7th wonder of the world, if I remember properly. That's what they say in finance. Because if you start off with, let's say you have 100 Cairo tokens, you could compound that every day. By the end of the month, you'll probably have an extra 30 tokens. And based on the price of the token, you'll be getting paid out accordingly. So right now I'm gonna do a live deposit into this. I do have 30 Cairo tokens right here. You go right here to where it says deposits. The swap isn't here yet, but yeah, we're under the maximizer. And also there's a farm different way, which is gonna be a different way you can make money off of this or get paid in Cairo tokens. And also, let me check it out real quick. I know I'm getting sidetracked, people. Let's take a quick look at this. You could stake BNB into this and get paid in Cairo tokens at 40% APY. That's annually, which is way better than a bank. Or you could do a more stable coin, BUSD, get paid 18.5%. Another stable coin paying 43%. I don't see how you could go wrong with this. Okay. But those are coming soon. They're not here as yet. Let's get back to this maximizer, people. Just want to keep this one short and sweet. I'm already prolonging. Log back, get back into my MetaMask wallet. I'm utilizing my MetaMask wallet. So I did purchase the Cairo on PooCoin, like I said, on PooCoin. So right now I just enter the amount that I want to stake into the maximizer. And all of this is tax. It's 10% on deposits, 10% on withdrawals, and 5% on compounding. And one really special thing, I don't know how I didn't point this out. One of the tokenomics that I feel like sets this apart, Cairo, apart from the other competitors out there, you only could do one thing every 24 hours. So if you deposit, you can't deposit again, or you can't compound, you can't do anything for 24 hours. So that's going to be bullish when it comes to the whales out there that like to claim multiple times a day or do this multiple times a day and so forth. So it says confirmed. Let me double check that. Wow, I think did I press confirm on a previous transaction? Sorry about that, people. All right, let me get it. Let me get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. 30. Hold up. I think it's right there in my MetaMask waiting for me. The transaction is waiting for me, people. I hope you guys having a blessed day. I'm out here on an island in paradise. You know how we do it. Sipping on a Heineken, a cold one. Damn, I have no BNB. Definitely got to stock up on some BNB. Said transaction successful. I got to constantly log into this. Now, my 30 Cairo tokens was deposited. Now it's under the deposits. All right. Now, when the 1% that's gained, it will show like as soon as it's made, probably in a minute or so, you start seeing the available go up. Now, with the available, you can either claim it, which is withdraw, or you can recompound, which is add the accumulated rewards back into the deposits, thus growing your deposits. I'm going to try to do like a little deposit every day or every couple of days because I'm really bullish on this. And I want to see this reach $100 for a Cairo token. There's a lot of things going on with the baby swap and all that partnerships. I'm just mad bullish on this. I feel like the tokenomics are unstoppable. And you guys can come here, check out the papyrus documents. I just love the theme. The Horos farm, which was where the Aya Horos come from. Okay. Or Haru. But yeah, and you can also check a calculator right here. Let me see if I could do a quick run through this. Now let's say we start off at, let's keep it simple. Yeah, let's say 1,000 Cairo tokens, your initial investment. Okay, your rate of interest is 1%. Over the course of a year, I'm not really sure how they calculating this. Let me see. Oh yeah, and they have merch coming out. Over the course of a year, what does it say? 28,000. You'll just have a lot of tokens. As the day goes by, it'll increase. Oh, there you go. See, by October, I have 1,800 Cairo tokens. That's crazy. That's crazy if I compound every day. Yeah, so there's definitely ways to grow the bag. This does have an official audit. And yeah, let's get this money, people. Let's not make these opportunities pass us. I don't want to make this video too long, but just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm bullish on this. Hit me up on a Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires, and we'll be there waiting for you.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.